Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so I finally thought I'll give it a try for some of the products that are overhyped, and I'll get back to you guys if they actually work or they do not. So let's start with my haul. So I got this amazing box. That's huge, right? So it doesn't make sense to purchase very expensive products, so I opted for a mid-range that ranges from close to 1500 to 2500 and not going over the top this time. So let's dive in to my product straight away and I'll show you guys whatever I bought. So the first one is not an expensive product, but this is something different that you should try. So this is the microfiber hair wrap. Looks like this. So it comes with a, like, it's kind of a towel that we used to like dry our hair, but it's kind of a new variant for that. So most of the times we do not want to like blow dry our hair because it's not good in the long run, you know. So I have opted for this. This is called a fiber towel. So it comes like this. After just washing your hair, you need to wrap your hair, and it comes with a button over here, so you can just close, like seal it. So I'll use it and get back to you guys if this really helped for me or it is not worth buying. Moving on to the next product is a hair mask. This is by Vela. It's the Vela Elements hair mask. So I have been obsessed with using masks for a very long time now. So the normal conditioner doesn't work for me. I don't know, maybe it works for everyone else, but for me it's not that hydrating and does not provide that much moisture to my hair. So I have switched to entirely masks, and this is the one I've heard a lot about because it is known for this hyaluronic kind of properties, not exactly hyaluronic, but providing moisture to the hair. So this is by Vela Professionals and it's known as Elements. It also says dermatologically tested. So yes, you should give it a try, and I'll also get back to you with a review of how it was. Moving on to the next product. Let's go to the skincare range first, then I'll move on to the makeup range. So I got this Mamaearth Vitamin C Facial Toner. So it's known for pore tightening. I have a lot of open pores around my nose over here. So I'm continuously looking for products that are actually working on pores. But let's see if this works or not. It's alcohol free and it suits all skin types. So it's good for everyone who has oily or even combination skin or even dry skin. That's what my skin type is. Another skincare product that comes another expensive range is the Cosrx. I think that's what you pronounce. Else just comment down below. I don't know the exact pronunciation. So it's a snail mucin. So what a snail mucin does is it's actually known to, like, yeah, it's known to treat hyperpigmentation and any acne scars that we have, and also snail mucin is known to like smoothen out skin tone and the texture whatever we have on skin. So I have already used the snail mucin before, and it was, I think, in the L'Oreal range, the Revital Lift range. There's a transparent bottle that comes up, and it was very nice for me. Like, for my skin type it worked really well. So then I just thought of investing in a good brand. So here it is. I'll mention down in the comment section below about the exact name. So this, I think this comes for close to 1450 INR. So yes, if that suits you, you should always give it a try. The hair towel comes for 499. It's available on Nykaa. Again, I'll keep on telling the price of the products, guys, so you're clear how to, like, if you want to purchase or not. So the vitamin C toner comes in for 399. Other than this, the Elements mask is for 150, 1150. I also got the Tulip face cotton pads. I usually get it from Miniso, but I was not able to travel outside since past few days, so I got this online. But I think the Miniso ones are really nice and very affordable as well. You can get it for yourself. They come in around, I think, 200 cotton pads pack. I think we are done with all the skincare and the hair care range. Moving on, I give it a try to the Maybelline Define and Blend Brow Pencil. I've heard a lot about it, and I have been using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, but why not give it a try when you can get something in a lower range, right? So this is for 349 rupees, so it's highly affordable. Brows play a major role, guys, in your face overall face look. If your brows are scanty and they are not completely like drawn, it can spoil your whole look. So it's very essential. Like one of my most essential go-to products is a brow pencil for sure. I cannot go without it. So it comes like this. It's a very sleek packaging. I really love it. If you just twist it, it comes out. And the color I have chosen is a kind of an ashy brown. It's not exactly brown, it's not exactly black. So you know guys, always opting for a brown shade or a gray kind of shade for your like eyebrows. It also comes with a spoolie brush towards the end, you can see. So you can just brush in your brows after filling in. It gives a very natural look and not like a completely made up look. So yeah, I think this is definitely going to be a must like buy for all of you. Moving on, I finally got my hands on the Studio Fix by MAC. My shade is NC40. So I have been using the MAC foundation since a very long time, and it's very nice for my skin type, guys. So I will definitely recommend you to like at least try once in your life if you want to invest in a MAC foundation. It's very nice. So the Studio Fix is a kind of a compact, but they say foundation on top of it. So it comes in a convenient, easy to carry packaging. There's a press button over here, and it's like that. You also have a mirror, so that's amazing. Also under this, it comes with a sponge underneath. So it's a very go-to product in your makeup bag or in your wallet or in your purse, whatever you carry. So you can always touch up whenever you are on the move, and it's not all the mess of foundation and everything, carrying sponges and everything around with you. So yeah, I was looking for this since a very long time, and you should definitely invest in a very good compact or a kind of a packed foundation. There's an offer going on Nykaa wherein it was, I think, for a limited period of time, wherein I got a free lipstick of full size. So this is a Powder Kiss lipstick by MAC. The shade is very nice. Like I have been wanting this shade since a very long time. You can see it will definitely go with all the outfits, and this powder kind of a peachy look goes with every color, trust me. Moving on to the next product is also a mid-range product. This is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's a concealer. So I would suggest, guys, if you are the first timers in makeup, do not purchase your concealers and foundations online. Just either if you have a tried and tested product, that a shade that works well for you, you can search online and see like whatever shades fits the best for you. So this is a really nice product, guys. I have been like seeing people use it since a very long time, but I was not able to get my hands on it. So I now finally purchased it. The shade I've taken is the sand shade. So this is the shade of the concealer, should ideally be 2 to 3 shades lighter than your foundation, so that it instantly highlights your areas, all these areas, and gives a instant fresh look. Also, I also use concealers for different ways, like for using as a corrector if I get a darker concealer by chance. So I use the darker concealer first and then apply the foundation, so it cancels out all the darkness around your eyes or your mouth, whatever. Another purchase is this Forever 52. It's a lipstick. Sorry. The shade is the velvet matte. The kind of lipstick is velvet matte, and the shade, I suppose, I'm not sure what the shade is. I'll just mention it down below. So this is some of the shades that everyone must have in their vanity. Like this, these are the go-to shades that you can apply with almost any outfit and at any point of time, be it a party, late night party, or a morning go out for your grocery shopping, anywhere. So this is by Forever 52. They have really nice velvet matte lipsticks. I also got a lip liner by K Beauty. So the K Beauty lip liners have a very nice thing that they have the chamomile and marula oil in it. The shade is Hype, and again this is a neutral shade that will go with everything. I just love the packaging. I don't know what's so cute about the K Beauty lipsticks. The last one is the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. So this is the favorite shade of mine, and I've been searching for it. It was almost sold out. The name is actually Sell Out because it sells out so fast. Yeah, so it looks like this, and you can see the shade. It's amazing. Like again, this will go with your any outfit, and even with your bridal look, it will go up. So you can see the variations of this lipstick that it can create. You can wear it in a daily look and even in a bridal day. So with that heavy glam makeup, you can wear this lipstick. It just goes well. Yep, I think I'm done with all my shopping, and please comment below if you have used any of these products before, and if you have any suggestions for the kind of product I've been like using. Please comment below and let me know. Also do let me know what kind of videos you want to see in future. Do you want more like specific reviews of a certain product or any makeup looks? Just comment down below and I'll get it for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new over here. Bye bye.